fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, so fast enough so we can fly away.
So I'm going to vacuum the inside of my car, get a nice drink, and then I am going to make some Kodiak double chocolate cookie bars. And I'm gonna teach you guys how. So I'm gonna go into Jack in the Box and use their soda freestyle machine. And I am not gonna get soda, I'm gonna get a delicious drink mix. Got it. Okay, so dark chocolate and chocolate chips. So I'm going to be making my protein double chocolate cookies slash bars. And the ingredients are peanut butter, double chocolate Kodiak cake mix, 1 egg, and of course, chocolate chips. And then you need a bowl and a spoon. And then there'll be some water you mix in as well. Okay, so first we're gonna pour some of the mix. Let's see, whoa, a cup. Let's go a cup and a half here of the mix. Then we're gonna do 2 heaping scoops of peanut butter. Then about a half, I filled this halfway up, it's a full cup, half a cup of water. Then we're gonna mix it all up and not make a mess. Ah! Then my favorite part, milk chocolate Hershey's chocolate chips, cut it open. Dump a bunch in, yes, and mix it up. Then we are going to heat the oven to 350. And now, foil. Put that on the pan. Then we're gonna take these. Now we're gonna take the dough. Gonna make little balls. So if you want to make cookies, make the little balls. And we're gonna I'll do a couple bars too. And we'll do a bunch of these. Okay, so I'm done with all the cookies. But I'm gonna make a bar. So what you wanna do is take a bunch of the dough and kind of shape it into a rectangle. So there's the 2 bars, as you can see, and then all the little cookie dough balls. And we're gonna put them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 350, like we already set that oven up. All right. So we still had some dough left, so I can probably make about a half a pan or like 3 to 4 bars with this. Half a pan of cookies and then 3 to 4 bars. Okay, I think they're done. All right, let's get these out. So good. I think he wants a cookie. You want one, Matt? All done, let's try one. Gonna try one. So delish. So the recipe is in the description. Go ahead and try it out and comment and let me know how yours turn out.